Hi, I'm Mark Bierke, and welcome to Tabula, where you can find simple lessons for the home cook. Have you ever been slicing a tomato and trying to get through the skin and it's just not happening? You're like pushing down on the tomato, it's squishing seeds out, and then when you actually do get a slice, it's pretty lopsided and just a weird chunk, and you're looking at the rest of the tomato, it's kind of squished and flat. I've been there too. Let me show you an easier way to go about getting really perfect tomato slices every time. So ideally you'd have a nice sharp knife like this and be able to just slice right through. You're like, oh, that's great, that's awesome, but I don't have a sharp knife. Now what do I do? Okay, plan B, grab a bread knife. That's gonna be a really great help because it's gonna be able to slice through the skin, and that's usually the main part that's troublesome. Once you can get through the skin, I've seen people do something like this, like poke it. If you can just get through the skin a little bit and then finish off with the knife, that's gonna help a ton. Let's try it again over here. So if you have the sharp knife, life's good, life's great, you're like, this is great, I have a sharp knife. But if you're like, I don't have a sharp knife, I'm really mad at you, then your bread knife is gonna be able to get through that skin right there. Cut through that beginning of skin and then finish it off. So today's simple tip is to grab your bread knife if your chef's knife isn't sharp enough to get through the skin on the tomato.